I want to touch on the China angle. Obviously, the concern on your side is really the over-reliance on China. And I think that really happens in conversations in many different countries around the world. How do you think the current government in the Philippines is pivoting away from China or a little more towards China because of the need to do so?
Well, Philippines and China have very, very long trade history going centuries back.
But there are some political challenges.
Yeah. And over the more recent years, we have seen over the past 10 years, for example, trade figures have shown a growth of more than 150%. So while there has been a slowdown in general, globally, and the slowdown affecting China, the trade between China and the Philippines has been going on robustly. In fact, China is still our biggest trading partner, and I expect that will stay for a while.
Next month, we've got a forum happening in Beijing on Belt and Road, and again, the debate is over reliance, reducing the over-reliance for some of the countries that might be attending in terms of their trade with China. How robustly are you feeling about Belt and Road and, of course, the Philippines' participation in that conversation?
Well, we will always maintain the relationship despite issues in the other areas, because the totality of our relationship with China covers a wide field, and trade is a major part of that relationship.
Everyone is talking about how China is economically a little bit challenged right now due to low demand at home and all the de-risking efforts coming from the West as well. What are your projections? What are you seeing in numbers coming from China's side to the Philippines? Do you see any recovery in the rest of this year or next year?
Well, that's a geopolitical question, which I will hesitate to answer, but we are maintaining our relationship in trade and investments. My people and I myself have been in constant communication with both our government counterparts and private sector and state-owned enterprises in China to further stimulate their investments in the Philippines. And they're also welcoming investments from the Philippines to China. In fact, our foreign direct investment to China is greater than China's foreign direct investment to us in the Philippines. So there is a very strong linkage at the investment and trade space.